Dean called my mom.
She must have thought it was pretty funny.
Actually, she thought it was pretty unfunny.
Yeah, I can see that too.
What the hell are you doing?
Just trying to picture you in a burqa. And our best intel listeners here in Afghanistan.